Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Genmoji to create custom emojis in your messages on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. So if you recently updated to iOS 18.2, you can now create Genmojis, which basically creates you custom emojis. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up messages. We'll create a new one here. So first you want to go ahead and fill in who you want to send it to. Go ahead and type on the empty field here. Select the emoji button here. And once that's done, go ahead and select this red button here at the right hand side. This will now let you create a new emoji, which is called Genmoji. So start off with a few words. So let's just put down happy and sad. And let's press done. And as you can see, it has created a happy and a sad drooling face. You can use different variations. Let's go ahead and create another emoji. And now I've created one which is a red fox drooling. And if you like it, go ahead and tap on add. And that will add it to your emoji library, which is here, and then also will add it to your message. Now you can go ahead and send that emoji off to your friends or family, and they'll be able to see the new emoji which you've created. So there you go guys, that is how to use the new Genmoji to create custom emojis in your messages on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.